Alright, so I'm going to show you how to remove and install an AC clutch. Mine was worn out. It would kick on and off. I already got this pre-apart, so my gap was about like there, and then it just had a hard time engaging. So the first thing you want to do is you can move your reservoir over to make more room for you to work here, and then you want to loosen your belt tensioner with a 1/2 inch ratchet, and this is on a 7.3 Powerstroke. So I got this already pre-disassembled. So what you do is you just grab a little 8mm socket and a small impact, so it's easier to take off because of the rotation. So then you just pull this plate off just like that and see how it's worn. There's also spacers inside there. You can remove the spacer and put this plate back on to just get a little more life, but I wouldn't suggest that. That's just a cheap man way to do it, I guess. So then you remove your pulley just like that. Now this is pressed on a little bit, so what I did is I took a pry bar and I just pried right a little bit on these bolts right here, and it just pries right off, and that's your engaging magnet. So here's my new parts. I got a new clutch disc plate, a new pulley, and a new magnet, engaging magnet. So let's put this magnet on first. Now this is a slight pressed fit, so you want to be careful so you don't damage your magnet. I use a dead blow. You want to make sure you're all the way in, or else you're going to ruin your pulley, because it's just going to wobble on your magnet. There. So no gap. So you want to go flush all the way against your compressor. Okay. I'm going to grab my spacers. So here's a new clip. Came with 4 different size spacers. And a new bolt. Okay. This is the old spacer. I'm just gonna match up the old one. Let's see. I think I found it. That one right there. So the spacer goes in your plate, just like that. Okay. So now you want to put your pulley on. There she goes. Just work it in, don't hit it with a hammer. And then I'm going to put my new circlip on. Snapped. And then I'm just going to check the tolerance of my clutch disc. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. See that gap? Right there. Right there. Use my old bolt. I'm gonna use my old one. All right, free spinning, no grinding noise. All right, so that's how you replace and reinstall your AC clutch instead of replacing the whole compressor. Because this thing blows really cold. I mean, my windows are frosted up, it's so cold. So I didn't want to replace the compressor, release all my Freon and all that. So then all you do is slide this back over. You put your 3 bolts in, and then you reconnect your overflow hose. So, hope I taught you something. And don't forget to plug your power back in. There you go. All right. Hope you learned something today.